early 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic brings the world to a grinding halt. Lockdown follows lockdown as nations attempt to contain the spread of the virus. Across the world, the scientific communities speed up their processes and try to understand more about this new virus. In India, all this is accompanied by realization that we need to look within for solutions and coping mechanisms with this pandemic. The Indian scientific community gears up to make sure we have enough equipment to cope with the rising number of cases. Research organizations step up to find solutions to manage this disease. How does India manage? How do we enhance infrastructure and systems to become truly Aatmanirbhar?